puti palo, nagkakalot kami kinason.
Nanindota. Asa?
Suga ay.
Asa yung guwa na eh?
Suga dito sa kabustiro.
Suga-suga. Nani siya suga na eh? Guys, we are here in the place that I was born to by. Can you look at this deep? And there's a mini CC under table. Look at those people. They are fishing. They are biting. That's why I already did it there. This fish is so nice, oh. This is what we call ano nila? Palata. Palata. Muna siya kanang mura din siya glata de palata. Ano ginasan? Nangwapot mong ginasan na eh?
Nangalap puti palo, nagkakalot kami kinason.
Nanindota. Asa?
Suga ay.
Asa yung guwa na eh?
Suga dito sa kabustiro.
Suga-suga. Nani siya suga na eh?
Makaon na oy.
Makaon na eh. Patay naman na no? Pero kung kapon na nimo, maak puro dyan po na.
Hindi naman maak na. Tangtang na rodi ang pata na.
Ano yun? Ano siya gitawag nga paon? Tipalo.
Palo.
Ang dason sa tipalo, tipalpi. Ganun. I am here in my true home. This welcome. This is my home. The home of my people. It's lobsters. Uminite. Hi. Hi sister. How old are you? Oh. I was look at this guys. The fruits and the garden. It's made by garden. Not made by man. Guys, let's go for another room. There's a Missy. Guys, we are here now. Wow! It's Missy too. What should I discuss to you? Guys, this one is the profile pic. My profile pic in YouTube channel. I'm not fake. Guys, suddenly the graduation is not yet born. Because of this pandemic COVID, suddenly It's sad. This is a very sad. Guys, let's go.
Ang dadagan.
Mother.
Ito.
This is the one fruit. But this fruit is broken. Wow. Garden. Look at my garden. It's nice. Wow. My garden is nice. Look at this one. Because we are about in Christmas. This is the small papaya. And this is the smallest papaya. There are many small ways or papaya or even everything that so hard to be an English guys, but for you I will speak English. I do not speak Cebuano or Bisaya. And here guys, this is my favorite plant guys. And when you
What is that called
well, this is tanglad.
in English?
In English, juice. And this is my favorite guys because this is plant. But when you roll it, it looks like sweet in chicken. And guys, that's all for today. I'm struggling in English. My nose is bleeding. Bye bye. Wait, I forgot to paste guys. Bye bye. Thank you.